I get to know about New Roots Clinic with my friends who already went through the surgery here. Uh, I came here for consultation and it really went well, and I got confidence about my hair transplantation. I choose to decided to went through the surgery and really well, and the technicians and doctor who did surgery was so nice and helpful during the surgery, and it was not very painful, and it was until now it was so good. Now let's hope for the best results. Thank you, New Roots.